A day at school with Lily. In the classroom. Lily walks into class and smiles. The teacher is talking about writing. The teacher says,
Today, we learn how to write an essay.
Lily listens carefully. She raises her hand. Excuse me, can you say that again? The teacher smiles.
Yes, an essay has a beginning, middle, and end. You can call them introduction, body, and conclusion.
Got it! Thank you!
New words. Essay. An essay is a short piece of writing that gives information or ideas about a topic. Introduction. The introduction is the beginning part of an essay. It tells the reader what the essay is about. Body. The body is the main part of the essay. It gives details, examples, and explains the topic. Conclusion. The conclusion is the final part of the essay. It sums up the ideas and gives a closing thought. Repeat after me. Essay, introduction, body, conclusion.
In the cafeteria, Lily is hungry. She meets her friend Mia.
Hi, Lily. What's for lunch?
I want rice and veggies. You?
I want fish and chips. Let's eat together.
Sure, let's sit near the window. They sit, laugh, and enjoy their food. Yum!
Let's practice. What do you want to eat? I want fish and chips. Let's eat together. Let's sit near the window.
In the library. After lunch, it's study time. Lily finds a quiet seat. She opens her laptop. Lily says to herself, Okay, time to finish my project. She types and reads. Then, a classmate comes over.
Hey Lily, want to study together?
Sure, let's review for the test.
Words to remember. Study, project, review. Test. Study. Study means to learn or practice something carefully, like reading or reviewing for a test. Project. A project is a task or assignment that students work on, often with research, writing, or creating something. Review. Review means to look over or go through something again, usually to remember or check what you've learned. Test. A test is a set of questions or tasks that checks how much you know or have learned about a topic.
Quiz time! An essay has 3 parts. What are they? They are introduction, body, and conclusion. What do you want for lunch at school? I want.
Woohoo! Great job today! Before you go, what do you like to do at school? Do you eat lunch with your friends? Do you study in the library?
Leave a comment below and tell us. Thanks for learning with Lily. See you next time at the park. Smart ESL Path. Bye-bye!